And this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about will ants eat honey. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it is uploaded and also help my channel grow. The short answer to that is yes, of course the ants will eat honey because as honey is one of the sugar items that can give them energy. Whatever gives ants energy, they will consume it. And since sugar is one of the things that ants are really attracted towards, honey is also one of those things that attracts ants. Now, if you have noticed that in most of the honeys are not actually completely made of honey, there are lots of sugars in it. So that's why that's essentially sugar, and although it's debatable, some of the honeys has most purity, but some of the honey are not that pure. So because of that, the ants are supposed to get attracted to the sugar, and so they're attracted towards honey because of sugar content in the honey itself. But even if you take a pure content of honey, like from the honeybees, and then also you pour it in a place where there can be ants, the ants will be attracted towards it because honey has something in it that attracts the ants because it produces a lot of energy. They will be able to absorb that and do their works because ants usually love to eat this kind of foods. If you have noticed that if given upon a choice upon what they are supposed to eat, usually the ants are choosing to choose the sugary products on the basis of other products because they love this sugar and they usually consume it for more energies. So on given the choice, ant will definitely try to eat honey, and normally they don't go into the honeybees place where because they can be attacked by the honeybees, but if they get the opportunity, if the honey falls on the ground or any other place, then the ants will definitely try to eat the honey from there because it's a lot more valuable to them, and they are not going to leave any opportunity to grab the honey. Now they are opportunistic, and they are, of course, they need this proper timing and they need the proper food to stay alive, and then honey provides a lots of energy and they really need that. So because of that, if they get the right opportunity, they will of course take it. Now they are not going to always going to take a lot of risk. If they see that there is a lot of risk involved in consuming the honey, they may not even go towards the honey. But if they see there is not much of risk and they can get enough space to eat the honey, then they will definitely do it. I have seen it myself with my own eyes. They can go to a great extent to eat honey. Even if you keep the honey in a cup, and then if you keep it inside of a, let's say, a bowl, and then keep it water over it, and then put it in the honey cup in middle of that water filled bowl, then also the ants are seen to eat the honey. They actually form bridge like structure by because lots of ants just form the structure by joining their legs, joining their bodies like in a way that feels like a bridge. They actually capture each other in a way that makes a bridge like structure, and the other ants just follows that bridge and gets to the honey, and then one by one all of them eventually gets to that place on the cup of that honey, and they will start consuming it. Yeah, in the process some of the ants can also die, but they have seen to be very successful in this process, and they are like this kind of desperate when they really need honey because this gives a lots of energy and they can cross a lot of barrier if they have the opportunity to so. So that's it for this video. I hope you have found your answer from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week. There is a Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, notification bell. Thank you.